Good morning, everybody. Everybody. Today we want to talk about the Luo alphabet, and I'll just take you through A to the last letter in the alphabet. So, letter A is pronounced as A. So, in a sentence, you say adek. That is 3. Adek. Bor. Bor. And that's a whole. Chong. Chong. Most of the time the C and the H will be together. Ch. Chong. DL. DL. That's D. DL. And that's a goat. Bo. Bo. So E is pronounced as bo. Fuolo. Fuolo. That's to cough. Fuolo. Gache. Gache. Honjo. 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 In. And I is pronounced as E. So in. Japur. Japur. That's a farmer. Japur. Kidi. Luck. Match. Nam. Ought. Pin. Rabollo. Seu. Tedo. Udo. Winyo. Yamo. And then there's some other important sounds that they may not be in the alphabet, but we have to include them because it's very important to know these sounds. So these are one of them. These are some of them. Nd brings ndara. Ndara. And then there is DH, and DH is Diang. And then there's the NG of the apostrophe. So Diang. Then there's NY, and NY is Nya. Nyati. Then there's the NG with an apostrophe, and that is ngou. And that is the Luo alphabet. So please subscribe to the channel so that you can get more videos. And if you have questions, please put them in the comment section. If I missed something, you're welcome to contribute so that we can enhance the videos in this channel. And thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.